Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mrs. Masood and you are watching Raja Masood Food YouTube channel. Today we will making fresh pure mango juice. Very tasty and very healthy. Better than we drink in markets and cans. So here we are taken 2 fresh mangoes. First of all, we cut the mangoes and remove the pulp of mangoes. As always, I request you, if you new to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for get the new notification of our channel. Here we remove all pulp in a bowl. In these days, so tasty and very fresh mangoes. You know, Pakistani mangoes are more tastier than other worlds. Here we get all pulp. In this stage, you can freeze this pulp 2 or 3 months. It do not spoil 2 or 3 months. After mango season, you can enjoy the milkshake and juices always you want. Here we taken a blender jug and put all mango pulp in that jug. After pulp, here we add 3 tablespoons sugar for taste. If you don't like the sugar, you can skip sugar. Here do not have add any milk. Here we add chilled water. You don't have chilled water, you add normally tap water or add some crushed ice. Now we blend it. Blend 3 or 4 times. Very well blend. Here is very tasty, very yummy, fresh mango juice is ready. You give this juice children's, elders, and you can also serve the guests. Very tasty, very healthy. If you like this recipe, please thumbs up, and if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe our channel. Take care of you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.